Today, we're going to go see the giant Buddha. You see, this is a special Big Buddha. If you find no one to support you on the spiritual path, walk alone. Buddha. More than 500 million people are Buddhists. That's about 7% of the world's population. The foot feels the foot when it feels the ground. Buddha. Most Buddhists seek to alleviate the path to suffering either by achieving nirvana or through the path to Buddhahood. What we think, we become. Buddha. There are two primary ways to travel out to see the Big Buddha. On the way out, I took the ferry to Moi Wu, followed by a bus to the Tian Tan entrance. Big Buddha sits on top of Tian Tan Mountain on Lantau Island, and it symbolizes the relationship between man and nature, and people and faith. There are four truths that express Buddhism, and I'm no expert, but they are discovering pain, the origin of pain, the cessation of pain, and the path to the cessation of pain. Be where you are, otherwise you'll miss your life. Buddha. Buddha is 112 feet tall, made out of bronze. It was built in 1993, and we're here. So now, I've got to climb 268 steps to get up to the Buddha. Wish me luck. The Buddha's right hand is raised, representing the removal of affliction, while the left rests open in his lap in a gesture of generosity. Okay, I made it to the top. It is windy up here. Buddha's not happy. It is better to travel well than to arrive. Buddha. When it was time to travel back to central Hong Kong, I took the Nong Ping 360 gondola to the Tung Chung station and then the subway back into the city. It is better to conquer yourself than to win 1,000 battles. Then the victory is yours. Buddha. Well, that's it. Thanks again for coming along today. I'm going to leave you with one last Buddha quote. What you are is what you have been. What you'll be is what you do next. But I'm going to have to wait until tomorrow. It was a long day today. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.